Hi viewers, how are you? After long days I came up with my new video. Actually I was preoccupied with some kinds of other activities due to which I was not able to upload any kinds of video for the last 1 month. I'm extremely sorry for that. Today once again I would like to share my views regarding the technical implication for the moment of the Bank Nifty for this expiry. Now let me straight away go to the chart, what the chart says about this Bank Nifty. Alright, so this is the daily candlestick chart of Bank Nifty pattern. Right, these are the all candlestick. Earlier also I have told you the red candle are to be known as the bearish candle and green candle to be termed as a bullish candle. You see, in the last candle, the last Bank Nifty on Friday, the Bank Nifty was closed 36,683.20. This is a red candle, but this is a kind of a candle. The way it has appeared, such a fashion it has appeared as technically we call this the bearish Harami pattern. If any bearish Harami pattern occurs in the uptrend, this is a complete uptrend. You see, if any bearish Harami pattern occurs in the uptrend, which you technically call the bearish indication, the negative indication. So as far as the daily candlestick chart pattern is concerned, we say this is a negative indication, but we cannot come to a conclusion having seen only particular candlestick pattern. We have to check with the other indicator also so that we can come to a conclusion. Now firstly, I would like to go to the MACD. The MACD is a short form of moving average convergence and divergence. This is a very popular indicator. A lot of people are using this MACD. MACD is basically a momentum indicator. Now let me plot the MACD, what the MACD says. This is the MACD, I am plotting the MACD. You see, this is the MACD, correct? So what the MACD says, there are two lines of the MACD. This is a MACD line and this is a dotted line. When the MACD line intersect the dotted line from the below, which you technically call, this is a buying. This is basically buying signal. You see, this is a buying signal. So when the buying signal was generated, on 30th October, the buying signal was generated. So as far as the MACD is concerned, these are bullish. As long as the MACD will be above this dotted line, which will be known as a bullish. So MACD is also bullish. Now apart from MACD, we also go to the another indicators so that we can have some idea about also. The another indicator is called RSI. RSI is a very popular indicator, right? Lot of traders are using nowadays in RSI. RSI gives a very good signal also. Now let's see what the RSI says. So let me plot the RSI first. Let me plot the RSI. I'm plotting the RSI over here. These are relative strength index. What the relative strength says, this is a relative strength index. Okay, now I'm plotting the relative strength indexes. Now relative strength has already been plotted. What is the value of relative strength index? Relative strength value is, you see, this is 61.55. when the relative strength index is above 50, technically we call this a bullish. So relative strength index is also bullish. So this momentum indicator is also saying the bullish. So MACD is also saying bullish. Relative strength index is also saying bullish. But as far as the candlestick pattern is concerned, they are indicating the bearish indication. Right now, we have to go to the another parameter. Another indicators also, which is called the Fibonacci Retracement, through which we will be able to find out the resistance and support zone. This is already I have plotted the Fibonacci Retracement over here. This is currently it is trading above this level. 78.6% of Fibonacci Retracement level. This is the golden ratio of Fibonacci Retracement, right? So now, as far as the Fibonacci Retracement is concerned, it is trading above this 78.6% of golden ratio. There is a mighty possibility to retrace upside, but if it goes to the upside, then the first resistance would be around 36,800 plus, and the very next resistance would be the 37,136, which is 100% of Fibonacci Retracement zone. But if it comes below, then there would be strong support, that is called 36,150 plus, which is 78.6% of Fibonacci retracement zones. This is the Fibonacci retracement zone. If it goes upside, then it may first resistance would be 36,800 plus, and next would be 37,136. But if it goes below, that a vital support would be 36,150. But if this support is broken, then Bank Nifty come down. Then it can come down, right? So now, as far as this Fibonacci retracement is concerned, now another thing we have to also check the volatility. Already, just I'm showing the what is the volatility says. You know, already I have plotted over here in the VIX. What the VIX says. Now VIX is right now, the value is 13.94. If the VIX is below 20, it means this is a less volatility. So as far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, the volatility is very less. Correct. Now another thing we have to check, which is called option data. What the option data is, it's a very, very important thing. You know, most of the first I'm going to the option data. This is the current option data. You see, this is, here is a one particular thing I would like to highlight, which is called an PCR. PCR plays a very, very vital role. One PCR means neither bullish nor bearish. Below 1, it means there is a dominance of call writing. Above 1, there is a dominance of put writing. You know, what is the value of PCR? PCR value is 0.75. Now below 1. You see, this is the call writers. You know, 36,000. There are huge huge position built on 36,700. You see, what is the open interest? Around 34 lakhs. 94,650. A lot of position has been built, particular in this zone. So call right, and this is a put writer. The red one is a put writer. What is the put writer? How much is there? 16 lakhs 99,000. Very below. So we see here the put writer, call writer is more than the put writer. It means, it says, which indicates that there is a bearish indication of the market. This is a bearish indication of the market, right? So as far as particular this option data is concerned, this would be our first resistance, that is 36,700, and the next resistance would be the 36,800, and what would be the support? First support would be 36,600, and very next support would be 36,500, based on our open interest, right? Based on the open interest gain. So by this week, by this expiry, the resistance would be 36,700 or 36,700 to 36,800, max to max 37,000. It means the range would be 37,000 to 36,500. Upside would be the 37,000 and downside would be around 36,500. This would be range. The range would be 37,000 to 36,500 as far as the option data is concerned. So option data, what this says? Option data says that there is more call writers. There are more call writers than the put writers. So which indicates a bearish indication. This is as far as the option data is concerned. Now once again I am going back to the chart also. You see, so we have seen the chart. So as far as the option data is concerned, there might be a possibility to be corrected downside for short term basis, not in the long term. Even if it comes downside, the very vital support would be 36,500, right? This is the support. So this is the very, very strong support, 36,150, and the resistance would be 37,136, right? This is as far as the Bank Nifty views is concerned. Now just I like to say one thing, that if anybody is interested to work with me, I am very much attached with a company called ICICI Securities Limited. If anybody would like to open a Demat and trading account, in my description box I am putting the link. It's a very user friendly link. It takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes to go to your account, activate it. Once your account got activated, then a page will appear with a sign of thumbs up. What you have to do it, only you have to copy that page. Along with this page, the copy of PAN card and your phone number. These three things you have to send through to my WhatsApp number. I'm also putting my WhatsApp number in the description box. Then your account will get activated, so I can keep in touch with you. so that I can keep in touch with you. This is as far as the account opening is concerned, and once again I'm telling you, this channel is purely for the educational purpose. This channel is not suggesting any kinds of stocks tips or any advice or any recommendation. If anybody would like to trade, anybody would like to take any position, either buying position or selling position, having seen this channel, please firstly you have to consult with your own respective investment advisor. After that you take your own decision, because this channel is not responsible for any kinds of trading, right? And I would like to request to everyone, please subscribe this channel as much as you can, and also share this channel to your near and dear ones, because the more responses I will get from all of you, which will definitely encourage me to bring a lot more new videos in near future. By saying this, I am going to sign up today's program. Once again, thanks a lot to everyone, and have a great day.